These hot sliders are made with ham, turkey, cheese, Hawaiian rolls, powdered sugar, garlic, butter, and served with some raspberry preserves. They're sweet and salty and the best sliders ever. Let's make them. Use a serrated knife to slice these lengthwise. You're gonna need half a pound of ham, turkey, and Swiss cheese. You can use provolone if you prefer, or Havarti. I like honey thinly sliced turkey and either Virginia ham or domestic ham. I just like it very thinly sliced. So I start with the Swiss cheese, then the turkey, the ham, and then I finish it with more Swiss cheese on top. I like to brush these with garlic butter. I used unsalted melted butter, so I added half teaspoon of granulated garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. But if you're using salted butter, omit the salt. Pour the butter mixture all over the rolls, cover them, and then bake them for 20 minutes. Then uncover and bake them for 2 more minutes. When they come out of the oven, garnish them with powdered sugar and definitely serve these with raspberry preserves. It takes these to the next level. They're sweet, savory, garlicky. They're just perfect.